The upcoming episode of Man Sundar is set to bring a major supernatural twist. The family finally decides that the haunted doll must be destroyed, but before they can do anything, the evil spirit controlling the doll begins to fight back. Ruhi already knows the truth that whatever happens to the doll directly affects her daughter, Ruchita. To expose the spirit in front of everyone, she intentionally provokes Ruchita. As expected, the evil spirit takes complete control of her, and Ruchita begins speaking in a strange voice. The spirit emotionally complains that everyone in the family loves Ruhan, but no one loves her. It says that it also wants affection and wishes to be accepted as a member of the family. Hearing these shocking words leaves the entire family stunned. Determined to protect her family, Dadi declares that she will never allow an evil spirit to remain in their house. In anger, she grabs a stick and rushes toward Ruchita to destroy the doll. However, Ruhi stops her and reminds her that although the spirit is inside Ruchita, she is still their beloved daughter. Realizing her mistake, Dadi decides not to hurt Ruchita but instead destroy the doll itself, believing that eliminating the doll will free her granddaughter from the spirit's control. The evil spirit becomes furious after hearing Dadi's decision. As Dadi approaches the doll, mysterious ropes suddenly appear from nowhere and tightly bind her. The family watches in horror as the supernatural force uses its magical powers to trap Dadi, causing her immense pain. Nahar immediately steps forward to rescue her and tries to snatch the doll from Ruchita, but he is thrown away by an invisible force and suffers injuries, proving just how powerful the spirit has become. Understanding that force will not work, Ruhi carefully changes her strategy. She calmly approaches Ruchita, distracts her with gentle conversation, and at the right moment snatches the doll from her hands. Initially, Ruchita becomes extremely angry and demands that the doll be returned. However, as soon as the doll is taken farther away, Ruchita gradually starts returning to normal, confirming Ruhi's suspicion that the doll's influence weakens with distance. Ruhi immediately runs out of the house with the haunted doll, determined to save her daughter once and for all. Near a temple, she unexpectedly meets a holy man who instantly senses the evil presence inside the doll. Without being told anything, he reveals that the doll contains a dangerous spirit responsible for troubling many people and even causing several deaths. Shocked by his knowledge, Ruhi tells him the entire story about Ruchita and the haunted doll. The holy man assures her that he knows how to deal with the evil spirit and agrees to help. Ruhi brings the holy man back to the house. The moment the spirit inside Ruchita sees him, it becomes extremely restless and starts screaming, indicating that the holy man poses a real threat to its existence. The upcoming episodes will reveal whether he succeeds in freeing Ruchita from the haunted doll and finally saving the family from the terrifying. As soon as the holy man enters the house, the atmosphere changes completely. Ruchita, still under the influence of the evil spirit, starts screaming loudly and warns everyone to send the Baba away. The family is frightened, but Ruhi gathers the courage to stand beside the Baba, believing that this is their last hope. Dadi, Nahar, and the rest of the family also support the ritual despite the terrifying events unfolding before their eyes. The Baba begins chanting powerful mantras and prepares a sacred ritual to separate the spirit from Ruchita. As the prayers continue, the haunted doll starts shaking on its own while strange noises echo throughout the house. The evil spirit tries to stop the ritual by creating supernatural disturbances, but the Baba remains calm and continues the prayers without fear. He instructs the family not to panic or interrupt the ritual, no matter what happens. Meanwhile, the spirit attempts to manipulate the family emotionally by speaking through Ruchita. It pleads with them to save her and claims that the Baba is trying to harm her. For a brief moment, some family members become confused, but Ruhi realizes that these are only the spirit's tricks. She encourages everyone to stay united and trust the Baba until the ritual is completed. As the ritual reaches its final stage, the power of the evil spirit begins to weaken. Ruchita struggles between regaining control of herself and the spirit's influence. The haunted doll starts cracking, suggesting that the connection between the doll and spirit is finally breaking. However, the spirit is not ready to surrender and prepares one final attack. setting the stage for an intense confrontation in the upcoming episode. The next episode will reveal whether the Baba successfully destroys the haunted doll and frees Ruchita forever, or whether the evil spirit unleashes one last terrifying surprise that puts the entire family in danger. Just when everyone believes the ritual is about to succeed, the evil spirit unleashes its strongest attack yet. Powerful winds begin blowing through the house. The lights start flickering, and sacred items placed by the Baba are thrown in different directions. The family is terrified, but the Baba remains focused and continues chanting powerful mantras without stopping. He warns everyone that this is the spirit's final attempt to escape and that no one should lose faith. The spirit once again takes complete control of Ruchita and threatens the family, declaring that no one has the power to destroy it. It even tries to break the protective circle created by the Baba, but every attempt weakens the spirit further. Ruhi refuses to leave her daughter's side and keeps encouraging Ruchita to fight from within. Hearing her mother's voice, Ruchita slowly begins responding, showing that she is finally resisting the spirit's control. Seeing the spirit weaken, Dadi apologizes for bringing the mysterious doll into the house and prays for everyone's safety. Nahar and the other family members stand together to protect the Baba as he completes the final stage of the ritual. The haunted doll suddenly develops deep cracks, and a dark shadow begins emerging from it. The Baba immediately traps the shadow with sacred rituals, preventing it from possessing anyone else in the family. As the ritual comes to an end, Ruchita collapses unconscious while the doll shatters into pieces. For a few moments, the entire house falls silent, leaving everyone wondering whether the nightmare has finally ended. However, the final scene hints at another mystery, when one small fragment of the broken doll begins to glow faintly, suggesting that the evil spirit may not have been completely destroyed and could return with an even more dangerous plan in the coming episodes. After the haunted doll is shattered, the entire family rushes toward Ruchita. Ruhi holds her daughter tightly as Ruchita slowly regains consciousness. Although she appears weak, she no longer speaks in the eerie voice of the evil spirit. Relieved, the family believes the nightmare is finally over. The Baba, however, cautions them not to celebrate too soon. He explains that while the doll has been destroyed, powerful spirits often leave behind traces of their energy, making it possible for the evil to return if proper rituals are not completed. Following the Baba's advice, the family performs a purification ceremony throughout the house. Sacred water is sprinkled in every room, and prayers are offered to cleanse the negative energy. For the first time in many days, peace returns to the household. Dadi expresses her gratitude to the Baba for saving Ruchita and promises never to bring any unknown object into the house without knowing its history. Just when everyone begins to relax, Ruhi notices something unusual. A small black mark suddenly appears on Ruchita's wrist, the same symbol that had once appeared on the haunted doll. Before she can tell anyone, the mark disappears within seconds. Ruhi becomes worried and realizes that the danger may not be over yet. She quietly decides to keep a close watch on her daughter instead of alarming the rest of the family. Meanwhile, the Baba senses an unsettling presence outside the house. He reveals that the spirit inside the doll was not acting alone and that an even more powerful force may still be searching for a way to enter the family's lives. His warning leaves everyone shocked,